What's up, guys? Another video explaining about the grounding issue that these CRVs have. And yeah, let's get to it. Just checking things out. This is a homemade cable, I guess. And this one goes all the way down underneath that. Goes all the way to that ground there. Factory ground with the frame. See, it's frayed. Green. Aftermarket cable. Auto-tech. Up to a different grounding point. Sanded down. Bad rust spot. Power's normal. Just the ground. A little short ground doesn't really do it for you. Can't do it. So, CRV RD1 97 2001. This is a 99.